Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of working non-stop, spending our hard-earned money on things we don't necessarily need, and constantly comparing ourselves to others. But here's the thing, my friends, it doesn't have to be this way. Many of us find ourselves stuck in a cycle of working tirelessly, day in and day out, with little time or energy left for our passions and dreams. From long working hours to limited financial independence. By understanding the rat race, we can better recognize why it may not align with our aspirations for a fulfilling life. Clarify your motivations for wanting to escape the rat race. Identify what truly matters to you, whether it's more time with family, pursuing a passion, or achieving a different lifestyle. The first step in escaping the rat race is understanding your why. Take some time to reflect on why you want to leave the corporate world behind. Is it because you want more time to spend with your family? Or maybe you're passionate about pursuing a different career or lifestyle. Whatever your reason, clarifying your motivations will give you a strong foundation to build upon. You're sailing in a boat without any destination in mind. You're just going with the flow, hoping that someday you'll stumble upon your dream life. Sounds a bit risky, right? It's important for us to rise above this negativity and foster a positive and growth-oriented mindset. The first step is recognizing that we have the power to control our reactions and responses to these toxic individuals. We must not allow their words or actions to affect our self-esteem or discourage us from pursuing our goals. Instead, let's focus on cultivating a positive mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than seeing them as roadblocks. By maintaining a positive outlook, we can turn setbacks into stepping stones towards success. Remember, our journey towards personal and professional growth requires us to be open to change. Don't let the fear of stepping out of your comfort zone hold you back. Embrace new experiences, try new strategies, and be willing to adapt as needed. By doing so, you'll not only silence the naysayers, but also prove to yourself that you can achieve greatness. I want to emphasize the importance of surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and support you. Seek out positive and inspiring communities, both online and offline, where you can connect with others who share your determination to succeed. It's crucial to prioritize self-care, exercise, and mental well-being. Taking care of our bodies and minds is essential for successfully navigating any kind of change. So, make sure to carve out time for activities that bring you joy and help you relax. Whether it's practicing yoga, going for a run, or simply reading a book, find what works best for you and commit to it. Your future self will thank you. There are individuals out there who have successfully escaped the rat race and have valuable knowledge and experience to share. Connect with these people and learn from them. They can provide guidance and valuable insights that can help you navigate your own chosen path. Plus, remember, this journey of self-improvement and personal growth is not going to happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. So, let's embark on this journey together and build ourselves, both inside and out. Understanding the power of prayer. Prayer goes beyond religious beliefs. It taps into the human spirit's longing for connection, guidance, and peace. In our fast-paced world, it's crucial to carve out moments of silence and reflection. Prayer allows us to quiet our minds, find clarity, and strengthen our inner selves. Overcoming fears and problems. When we face fears and problems, they can often consume our thoughts, leaving us overwhelmed and stressed. Living below your means. By adopting a frugal lifestyle and cutting unnecessary expenses, you can redirect your hard-earned money towards your financial goals and ultimately create an escape plan from the 9-to-5 grind. It's never too late to take control of your life and pursue your passions.